so sorry, y'all. I just had to do something real quick. So this is a part 2. So I unboxed while I was gone. And so we have this dolphin. I think I've showed you already. I hope you like the yellow, the rainbow thing that I added on the last video. I wanted to make it a little special. So yeah. Bloop, bloop, bloop. Okay, here's another squirting turtle. Another squirting turtle. Alright, so here's this is like a unicorn kind of seahorse, like a unicorn and seahorse. Cause look, it's a horn. Oh gosh. No, it wasn't part of that was part of the pack. We have a turtle. We have a turtle. Sorry if my phone is like talking. We were just calling my aunt for her birthday. And we have this treasure chest. And you see these little things, they actually turn around. So see like this treasure. And then when you turn it around, you can turn it around with those knobs. Hold on. Sorry, I was just itchy. So we open it up, as always. And we're going to turn these around. And use the star. Gold star. Which is like really cool. I really like this star because it has a little smiley face. So we're just going to turn it back over. It's like gold, which is good. We have the playset, and actually, I figured out what the suction cups do. They actually stick to the tub, and you see these little holes right here. So you connect it with this. And this other bottom one is gonna go like right here. And you can, and you can actually stick it to your bathtub, and it looks like it's underwater, which is very cool. So these are what the pink suction cups are for. I have like a clear suction cup that plugs up the water. So and here's Barbie. What was really cute about her is that number 1, like you can see there's a like a ribbon or something. And number 2, look at her cute little flippers. And she can do a cartwheel. She can do a triple flip and do splits at the ends. Oh, she lost the flipper. There we go. She's losing her flippers. She's losing the flippers. Alright, so here's our flippers. And yeah, so we're just gonna play with this for a little while. I think I told you guys in the previous video. If you see this right here, you do this clam shell opens and like a little crab comes out. So the crab comes out. See, the cute little crab comes out. So yeah, and oh my, I just broke it. I think hopefully I can put it back together. This was for Christmas, so I don't really care, to be honest. I think it's better with this. Yeah, it's better with that. You can put it down, but it gets some more weight. So I don't really wanna, this is gonna fall down. So I like usually just wanna do this. So here, you have a squirting turtle swimming. Woo! That's all. So I'm gonna eat back there. So that was all I was going to show you. And right now I have to eat. So here's one quick look at all of the pie. suction cup over there. Who wants to say bye?